Hello and welcome back to Investing for Generations, your channel for high quality stock research for long-term value investors. And today, after the market closed, Ford published their Q3 earnings, and I want to go through this because I made a video about Ford, a deeper analysis, a few weeks ago and was very pessimistic about the future of Ford. And so today the publishing of the Q3 earnings was very interesting for me too. And so I want to go through this with you and then also tell you what I think about these numbers and if maybe Ford can make a turnaround and can be a good buy right now. So Ford reported third quarter September 2020 earnings of 65 cents per share. The consensus earnings estimate was 22 cents per share on revenue of 32.4 billion. The earnings whisper number was 29 cents per share. So they beat the consensus estimate by 124%. This is quite a lot. And this is really surprising for me because in the past, Ford was a disaster. When you look at the earnings over the last decade, this is really a disaster. And so in the Q2, they was able to turn it around and at least earn 28 cents. And now they earned, this is quite good. Still not a lot, but it's good. And this looks like kind of a turnaround story to me. And so Ford right now is traded at $7.71, and even after they published this news today, after hours, nothing really happened so far. And on this very bloody day on Wall Street. In my former deeper analysis of Ford, I was kind of pessimistic about the future of Ford because for me there was no margins and still it's not big. It's no big margins and still just a little bit of earnings, even if they beat the estimates by quite a bit. In my deeper analysis, I also said that there is no growth and there is no innovation and put a question mark behind it because even in my deeper analysis before I said, yeah, maybe they are on the way to more innovation and maybe there is light at the end of the tunnel. And with this Q3 earnings, it seems like at least it goes in the right direction. And this is really more than I expected. And so I'm really surprised today, positive surprised by Ford. And so maybe there is really something like hope for this long traditional company. Still, it's not for me. I don't like this company as an investment. But if you want to bet on the turnaround story, maybe here you have it. And if they can really do this turnaround, of course, there can be very high returns. I just don't believe so much in the automotive sector, not just in Ford. Also, I'm from Germany. Also, when I look to the German automobile companies, I don't like the business model. There are slim margins. The market changed a lot and they sleepwalked for a decade and now they are just behind. And so I don't like it at all. I don't like the sector at all. But maybe here is a good chance, at least, to bet on the turnaround for Ford. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and join me on my road to financial freedom. Thank you. And if you really liked the video, give me a big thumbs up. Tell all your friends that here is a community is rising for long-term value investors. We are almost 500 people now. And ring the notification bell to never miss another video, and then we will see you next time and then with the analysis of another stock. See you then. Take care. Bye bye.